cues to watch out for in today's trading session, but the couple of stocks you need to keep on your radar that will be in focus on the back of news flow. Let's talk about those. HAL being the first one because it has signed a deal with Pawan Hans. That's a contract worth 1,800 crores for the supply of 10 Dhruv NG helicopters and spares execution that is scheduled for completion by 2027. So HAL on the back of that big order win is going to be in focus. In fact, all the defense names have been in focus. We are just a few days shy of the budget, and the defense pack has been in focus on the back of that. The second stock that will be in focus is WeWork India, because it has expanded in Hyderabad and signed a lease for 2.5 lakh square feet, and it has already added 3,300 desks to portfolio by June, and on the back of that expansion, it is going to be in focus. Besides that, we also have Power Industries that will be in focus on the back of an order win of 156 crores EPC contract from SE Railways to deploy Kavach-related infrastructure, and on the back of this order win, Apar will be in focus. Praj Industries will be in focus because it has fully validated end-to-end alcohol to jet solution, and it is the solution for both ethanol and butanol, and on the back of that, Praj is in focus. As far as Wipro is concerned, it will be in focus on the back of a new launch, a new consulting-led AI-powered operating model designed to modernize core enterprise functions. And the back of this new launch, Wipro will be in focus. Allied Blenders will be in focus on the back of a significant expansion. A manufacturing footprint in the western region, approving already 300 crores worth of Arm Nikashi Agro, and on the back of that, Allied Blenders will be in focus. Now, IndiCube Spaces is in focus today on the back of the fact that its lock-in period ends for 32% of the shareholders, and on the back of that, IndiCube is going to be in focus. And finally, Godrej Properties will be a stock in news because it has acquired 8.5 acres of land parcel in Mahalaua in Pune. That land is estimated, the land has an estimated revenue potential of almost 2,000 odd crores. So on the back of that, Godrej Properties is also a stock in focus.
All right, but along with that, whole host of earning candidates as well. And first up, let's start with ITC, where this time around the revenue has jumped almost 5.7%, but that's the EBITDA growth that has surprised the street with a 7.6% jump that we have seen, and the numbers were definitely better versus the street estimates on the operational parameters. The cigarette volumes did improve, implying a volume growth of 6.5%, and the FMCG growth was also seen to be accelerating by 11%. So let's watch out for ITC. Dabur too reported its numbers. The revenue did jump by 6.1%, and EBITDA did grew 7.7%, and the profit was seen at 560 odd crores. Swiggy also did come out with the numbers. The brokerages are not liking the kind of numbers and the commentary with respect to their quick commerce business. As of now, the revenue has seen a jump of 54%, but it's the EBITDA loss that has now widened to 782 odd crores for Swiggy. The quick commerce growth is seen to be moderating as Swiggy is seen to be prioritizing quality over scale. Niva Bupa, when it comes to Q3, the growth is seen at 28% YOY in the NEP, loss ratio at 72.3%. Other than that, Vedanta did also come out with its numbers, very good set of numbers rather, coming in from Vedanta. This time around, we have definitely seen growth in terms of the operational parameters. It's the higher LME, better volumes, as well as forex gain that aided the revenue for Vedanta. The management is cognizant of the fact that going ahead, the kind of debt deleveraging plans that they have, that is going to help the company. Upcoming capacity, which will produce higher VAP products, is something that the management is looking forward to. Along with that, when it comes to Dixon Tech, decent numbers posted by the company. It's the flat mobile and the EMS volumes that the company has reported. Consumer electronics demand remained to be muted due to inventory and BEE changes, but brokerages are finding that the growth outlook for 2026 is seen to be moderating. So let's watch out for Dixon Tech. Margins were a tad bit better versus the street estimate at 3.9%. And lastly, Colgate will be in focus as well. The Q3 numbers, the revenue did grow by 1.7%, domestic sales up 2.5%, and is the rebound that was seen and the growth after 3 quarters of decline. And the management notes early positive signs in the core portfolio, sustained strong demand in the premium segment as well. So these are some of the result candidates to watch out for.
All right, with that, it's time for us to slip into a short break. Don't go anywhere. After the break, we'll get you more updates on the market. Stay tuned.